So she's got her screen door. Her dog just ran through the screen door. Or maybe her baby sister ran through the screen door. No, it was her dog. She wants to replace the whole screen. How can she estimate the area of screen that she needs to buy? Well, she could estimate how long that is and estimate how long this is and then figure out the area by doing length times width. So maybe she has a referent on her body. Maybe she knows how much a foot is, or maybe she uses her hand as a measurement. Now she actually measures this and finds out that it's 26 inches wide and 76 inches high. What area does that cover? Again, area is length times width. So when we do 76 times 26,
it's a 13.72 square.
1,976. And this is now inches squared. Since we used inches here and inches here, when we get our area, area is always in square units, we'll get inches squared. Now that is how many inches squared it would be. If you wanted to find out how many feet squared, you could go to your formula sheet and you find out on your formula sheet that 1 square foot is 144 inches squared. So if we want to find out how many feet squared is 1,976 inches squared, we could set up our proportion. We know that 1 foot squared is 144 inches squared. Multiply both sides by 1976. And we get 13.72 feet squared. So we get to use our conversions and our proportions again in this unit. So here's one for you to try on your own. We'll go over that answer in about 4 minutes. I'll put it up. Okay. So for an estimate, 20 by 40 are numbers that are easy to multiply. So you get 800 inches squared. For the area of the base actually, length times width will be 22 times 38. And
I figured it out. It was 78 for 8 times 2, so it's 78 plus 780.
it's actually 836 inches squared.
Divided by 1.
Caden, have a seat. We're not done yet. And to figure out how many square feet that would be, you set up your proportion. You want to know how many feet squared are 836 inches squared. You know that 1 foot squared is 144 inches squared. Times both sides by 836. And we get approximately 5.8 feet squared.
Yeah, it's actually, you need 6 feet then.
And it says to the nearest square foot, so that will be 6 feet.